Hey snackers, welcome back to Brain Snacks. You think yawning means you're tired? Nope. What if I told you it's your brain's secret cooling system? Okay, snackers, let's bust the biggest yawning myths. Try not to yawn while watching this. Most people think yawning just means you're tired or bored, and for a long time, scientists believed yawning was about getting more oxygen into the body. But guess what? That's not true! Studies showed that yawning doesn't actually increase your oxygen levels at all. So if it's not about sleepiness and it's not about oxygen, then why do we still yawn dozens of times a day? Well, the answer is way cooler than you think. Literally. Let's find out. Here's the real story. Your brain is like a computer, and computers overheat when they work too hard. Yawning is your body's way of cooling that supercomputer down. When you yawn, you take a deep breath of cooler air, which increases blood flow in your head. At the same time, the stretch of your jaw acts like a pump, moving fluids around the brain and spinal cord. All of this works like an air conditioning system, bringing the temperature of your brain down so it can keep running smoothly. So the next time you yawn in class or at work, maybe you're not bored at all. Maybe your brain is just cooling itself off to keep you sharp. Now let's talk about the weirdest part of yawning. It's contagious. You see someone yawn, and suddenly you yawn too. Even just hearing about yawning can trigger it. Scientists think this happens because of mirror neurons in our brains, which make us copy the actions of others. But here's the fascinating part. Contagious yawning is linked to empathy and social bonding. You are more likely to catch a yawn from your friends and family than from strangers. That means yawning together might actually be a way our brains connect with each other. Pretty wild, right? Humans aren't the only ones who yawn. Dogs, cats, birds, even fish do it too. In animals, yawning can have many purposes. Lions, for example, yawn to show alertness before hunting. Parrots yawn when they are stressed. Some animals even yawn to signal dominance or to communicate readiness. So yawning is not just a human quirk. It's an ancient, universal signal that stretches across the animal kingdom. But yes, yawning is still linked to sleepiness, just not in the way most people think. When you're sleep-deprived, your brain starts to overheat and slow down. Yawning becomes a kind of last defense, a way to wake the brain up and keep it alert for a little longer. It's like your body saying, "Hang in there, don't shut down yet." That's why you often yawn more when you are exhausted or pulling an all-nighter. So, what did we learn? Yawning isn't just about being tired. It's your brain's built-in cooling system. It's a sign of empathy and connection with others. And it's a survival trick shared with animals all over the world. Next time someone teases you for yawning, you can tell them you're just upgrading your brain's air conditioning. If you yawned during this video, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more brain snacks. See you in the next one!